spoil your dinner. Oh, thank you. Not for me. Let's see if we can find your family. Come over here. Oh, no.
And now, ladies and gents, it is my pleasure to present the queen of the 1921 Gillenbone Show, Miss Judy Sutton.
Hey!
Okay.
Good on you, Judy.
Oh, well, bless my beads. It's a good father.
Congratulations, Judy.
How about a kiss for Miss Gilly, huh? Come on, give me something to confess on Sunday.
Well, I mustn't make my best girl jealous, now must I?
Round and around and around she goes. The wheel of fortune. Step right out.
Make way, I'm coming through. Give me some
All right, lads. Now have yourselves a good time, but stay out of the pub.
Thanks, Daddy. Let's go find Pete and unload the rams.
Yes, son.
Daddy! Frank!
My love! Hello. Look at you in your uniform.
Where's Stewie? Where's Mom?
Well, with the baby due so soon, darling, we thought Mom best not travel. Stewie stayed home with her.
Stewie's been aching to see you, lady. Never mind, because we're going to buy him something nice with this money. All right?
Okay.
All right.
Hello, Aunt Mary.
Father?
Mary, you're looking splendid. Will you be staying over?
I rather hoped you'd invite me to stay at the rectory.
You could stay in my room.
Your room? I thought you were at the convent.
Oh, no. Father Ralph gave me my very own room, right next to his.
You're very welcome to stay, Mary. I'm sure my housekeeper would be happy to share a room with Maggie tonight.
No, thank you. I wouldn't want to disturb all your little arrangements.